In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional Proforma invoice template in Word. We'll be building a clean document that is easy to reuse for future estimation workflows, and the goal is to make sure the file is clearly marked as a Proforma invoice rather than a final tax document. This is especially important when the document is being used for customs, shipping preparation, or preliminary pricing discussions. Start by opening a new blank document in Microsoft Word. Once the document is open, go to the top of the page and type Proforma Invoice in a prominent way. You'll want this title to stand out immediately, so make it large, clear, and easy to spot. A centered heading usually works well because it gives the document a formal and organized appearance right from the beginning. Next, add an explicit notice near the top of the page. Type the following statement exactly as needed for clarity. Preliminary invoice for customs or proforma purposes only. Not a tax invoice. Place this close to the main title so there is no confusion about the purpose of the document. This notice helps distinguish the file from a commercial invoice or any document that could be mistaken for a final billing record. If you want to improve readability, you can place the notice just under the heading and use slightly smaller text than the title while still keeping it visible. After that, insert the tables you'll need to structure the information properly. Create a table for seller and buyer details so both parties' information can be entered in a neat and consistent format. Then add a section for estimated shipping weights. This is useful for logistics planning and gives a clearer idea of transport requirements, even if the figures are still preliminary. Continue by inserting a table or clearly separated section for delivery terms. This area can be used to record shipping conditions and other relevant fulfillment details. Then create the itemized goods table, which is one of the most important parts of the document. Make sure it has enough space to list products clearly, along with the estimated details needed for a proforma invoice. Keeping this section clean and well aligned will make the document easier to review and update later. Once the layout is complete, save the file as a Word template in .docx format so it can be reused in future estimation workflows. Choose a file name that makes it easy to identify later, and store it in a location that is convenient for repeated access. This final step saves time, improves consistency, and gives you a ready-made starting point whenever you need to prepare another proforma invoice.